Hello friends, this is Ranjana Kamo. I bring to you my book, The Mystery of Utmost Happiness. Today I am going to read the blurb for you, and here it is. Let's face it, chasing happiness can be exhausting. Between deadlines and targets and never-ending to-do lists, the last thing we can squeeze in is to pause, reflect, smile and be happy. So what do? We relegate it to another time. Over the weekend, better circumstances after the appraisal or after a specific goal, say when I've lost 5 kgs. The truth is that happiness seems to forever elude us because we don't allow ourselves to be happy in the here and now. We remain clobbered by the demands of our day-to-day lives and end our nights liking other people's happy pictures. In comes this practical book which invites you to move beyond the inevitable frustrations and challenges and illustrates how to open yourself to a state of real, genuine and lasting happiness. The author Ranjana Kamo takes you through her life experiences and shares universally applicable principles and practices that will empower you to fling open the door to your own happiness. Instructive and wise, The Mystery of Utmost Happiness serves as a comprehensive game plan that contains all the tools that you will need. Illustrative examples, personal stories, and practical exercises to help you seize true happiness and not let it remain just a distant dream. So friends, please get yourself a copy of my book. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Take care. Goodbye.